फोटो के बीच में, फोटो के बीच में
क्या यार, हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे, आप साइड हो जाओ बस।
हम लोग साइड में, आप लोग आगे मत आओ बस।
भाई,
हम लोग साइड में ही रेडी पोजीशन में निकालने दे, आगे मत जाए।
हाँ सर, हेलो,
चलिए पीछे प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, आप लोग फोटो लेना तो पीछे हटिए।
भाई 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 भाई
प्लीज प्लीज आप लोग पीछे, एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज। नहीं नहीं नहीं, सॉरी मैम, समझ, हाँ तुम निकल, आगे मत जाइए प्लीज। बीच पे
बिल्कुल भी नहीं,
नहीं नहीं,
पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ।
अरे मैडम
आप खड़े हो जाइए, आप
फोटो निकालिए ना, आराम से निकाल सकते हो आप लोग।
ऐसा ऐसा सीधा, ये देखिए सामने। ये धक्का क्यों दे रहे हो? इधर चलो चलो आगे पीछे टेबल बक थोड़े चलो चलो
भाई भाई इधर एक फोटो करते हैं।
चलो गेट बंद कर, गेट बंद कर। हाथ पकड़, हाथ पे डाल रहे हैं।
कटरीना जी रुकिए एक मिनट।
अरे तुम लोग आर्टिस्ट को प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप लोगों को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है।
रुकिए
कटरीना जी से इधर इधर इधर, कटरीना जी इधर 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 बैठने में।
दो फोटो
इधर इधर लाइट में आइए ना।
थोड़ा पीछे बस थोड़ा साइड साइड भाई भाई फोटो का हमारे कैटरीना आपका सोलो सोलो एक सोलो कर लेते। अरे मैम 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 थोड़ा पीछे
माधुरी
पीछे से
थोड़ा साइड हो जाए ना।
अरे इधर भी जरूरत नहीं है। राइट में, राइट में
माधुरी मैम ये सेंटर यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे, माधुरी मैम यहाँ पे, मैम राइट,
माधुरी मैम लेफ्ट, माधुरी मैम लेफ्ट, माधुरी मैम लेफ्ट लेफ्ट।
Mumbai, the air is thick with vermilion. The streets of Mumbai are dotted with men, women, and children, all dancing to the beats of drums and roaring trumpets. Idols, gigantic and small, have all made their way into homes, into pandals, and into the hearts of millions of Mumbaikars who've all come together to stage a grand homecoming for the Lord of Good Beginnings, the deity who is the remover of all obstacles, and the God of auspicious times, Ganesha, Ganapati, Vignaharta, Vigneshwara, Gajanan, Ekadant. You know, ladies and gentlemen, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as a festival all across India, but in no land is it celebrated with as much fervor as here in Mumbai. So, it's a case of perfect setting, huh? On one hand, the city, Mumbai, has all across its breadth, length, welcomed Ganesha, whether in Linking Road, ya kabhi Warden Road, ya kabhi Pedder Road, ya kabhi Cattle Road, welcomed Ganesha for the grand homecoming. And on the other hand, we and the IFA movement are all set to stage a grand homecoming. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time in India, in Mumbai, the biggest celebration of Indian cinema anywhere in the globe is in Mumbai, the home of Indian cinema. Yeah, this is India's commercial capital, India's financial capital, and more pertinently, India's entertainment capital. And we're so happy to stage here the 20th edition, the homecoming edition of the Nexa IFA Awards 2019. And on this occasion, we are delighted to have with us Madhuri Dixit ji. Good evening and a very warm welcome. Salman Khan, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome. And Katrina Kaif, a very warm welcome to you too. We're also delighted with the presence of our esteemed partners, Nexa, Viacom 18 Colors, Tata Tea Gold, Whoosh Washing Expert, our friends from Ease My Trip, and of course our multiple media partners. Thank you all so much for taking the message of IFA, one people, one world, to every nook and corner of this world. What glorious 18 years, 19 years these have been, haven't they? Ladies and gentlemen, let's pause and reminisce and celebrate the glorious 19 years gone by of the IFA movement. Attention! फिर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है to the inaugural media conference of Nexa IFA Awards 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, opening house is the co-founder, director, and spokesperson of Viscraft International Entertainment. Now, Viscraft, of course, is India's leading experiential agency that has literally pioneered the current shape, size, and form of the live industry as we see it. Now, down the decades, they've conceptualized and executed some landmark events like Make in India, Global Citizen, the celebration of India's 50 years of independence, and the opening and closing ceremonies of the 19th Commonwealth Games. They, of course, are the creators and producers of the IFA movement that has taken the splendid, and stunning magic of Indian cinema across the globe. Now, Sabas Joseph himself is the General Secretary of India's Media and Skills Council. He is also serving on national committees at CII and FICCI. He is founding member and past president of the Event and Entertainment Management Association of India. You know, ladies and gentlemen, his partners, Viz. Andre Timmons and Viz. Viras Sarkari, and he believed that events may be forgotten, but experiences are never forgotten. They're always remembered. And what an experience you all have created with the IFA movement. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sabas Joseph, who's excited to welcome you all. Sir, please.
4 continents, 12 different countries, 16 distinct cities, 19 IFAs. And this is the 20th IFA. Only 3 cities have hosted the IFA twice. It's a unique privilege given only to Singapore, Macau, and Bangkok. The IFAs would not be what they are without the magic that has been created by each of you from our media fraternity who've helped us power this journey across the world. Not just those of you from India, but the media from across the world. So I'd like to start on behalf of my partners, Viras Sarkari, Andre Timmons, and the Wizes, to say a really big thank you to all of you. The second set of people that we really would not have been able to do this with, without which, are our friends from the Indian film fraternity. Salman, Madhuri, Katrina, and each of your colleagues. You partnered with us through this entire journey. It's been a tough journey, a roller coaster of different sorts, and you've been there at every time. And some of those toughest times, Salman has always been there. So really a big thank you to you. On behalf of all of us, I'd like to say a big thank you to our corporate partners who've been with us through this journey. We've had a 5-year relationship, which is a deep relationship for any engagement of this sort, with Maruti Suzuki, who launched Nexa at the 15th IFA. And thank you very much, Shashank-san and the Maruti team for being with us. Also, 5 years ago, we began another journey, a journey with Viacom 18. And that journey has been a very powerful journey, a journey that has taken Indian cinema and IFA to an audience of over 800 million people across the world. And that by itself is an astounding number of any sorts. So thank you, Sudhanshu, thank you, Nina, thank you, Viacom team, for being with us. Another part of this journey has been the consciousness that the IFA platform is not just about entertainment. We should use the power of IFA and the audience of 800 million people to talk to the world about serious issues. So keeping that in mind, in 2007, we changed our red carpet to a green carpet. And we took on the flag to talk about and advocate about the environment. If any of us went through the storm and the floods of yesterday, I think it's just a reminder about climate change. It's just a reminder of what we've done to our planet. And we're going to, the beginning of our suffering has only just begun. So it's time that we correct it. And I think all of us would like to be able to say that very passionately over and over again. Ladies and gentlemen, IFA, for its 20th edition, is coming home to the birthplace of Indian cinema. It's exciting for all of us to be with our media friends and our families and literally the family of Indian cinema. So we hope that this is going to be the most exciting IFA in our entire journey. The 20th IFA will be held on September 16th, which is IFA Rocks, a musical and fashion event. And September 18th is the Nexa IFA Awards. We're excited, and I hope you share that same excitement. I'd like to just share a very small video to give you a sense of what is in store. I think you can you hear a louder applause? That's some enthusiasm. Viacom 18 is the global broadcast partner and chief media partner of the IFAs. IFA is what it is because of Viacom 18 and the power of the media platform. Sudhanshu Vats, Group CEO and Managing Director, in the last few years has grown that business that he inherited by 40 times. The group is now across multiple platforms, from live events, merchandising, broadcasts, digital, and every other format that is known to media platforms. It keeps growing every year and every day, and it's remarkable that it's managed to achieve the power that it has. Sudhanshu chairs the CII Media Entertainment Committee and powers a lot of efforts in policy making. Please join me in welcoming Sudhanshu Vats, Group CEO and Managing Director, Viacom 18, to the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My friend Shashank, from Maruti, Salman, Madhuri, Katrina, and all my friends from media, thank you for being here. It's indeed a very special day. It's a very special day because, as Sabah spoke about, it's the 20th year of IFA, and we are coming back to Amchi, Mumbai. and that too at an auspicious time of Ganesh Chaturthi and the entire Ganesh festival which is on. So as you were hearing, Ganpati Bappa Moria. The other thing which is important is that this is also the 5th year, so for us an important landmark of our association with IFA. I'd like to take this opportunity to first and foremost thank the three Vizes, Sabas, Andre, and Viraf, for taking IFA brand, making it local. And I think this term, which has now become popular in management jargon and everywhere where people talk of global and local, I think you guys did a fantastic job with taking Bollywood and, in my opinion, India. Because through Bollywood, we talk about India, we talk about Indian stories, we talk about who we are to the world. So fantastic work done. We are proud to have partnered you. Thank you very much, and we will continue to do that. I think the other thing is, I'm delighted to see here with our association with Colors, the big boss Salman, and Dance Divani, I could say, Madhuri Dixit, and of course Katrina and all the other people who've been. So these are people, the stars, the colorful stars associated with Colors, I think, have been actually helping us to grow this as we go forward. Just touching upon this phenomena of local, while this term has become popular today, but I think cinema per se, particularly Bollywood, has been popular and has been local. So whether we talk about Sangam, Raj Kapoor and Vaijayantimala long back, or you talk about some of our stars who've now gone to Hollywood, Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, and others who sort of doing films at the other end and doing content at the other side as well. Or more recently, our film Andhadhund, which has done so well, which is content-led cinema, which has done so well in China. So I think the recent success of Andhadhund reminds me of the power of stories and the stories which we can tell. So without taking too much of your time, I want to sign off by saying at Viacom 18, we've always believed in a simple credo. We define our mission in one line. We are here to take every story to its audience and every audience to its story. We are in the business of telling stories, creating and curating stories. We will continue to do that, and with your help, we will continue to dial this forward, and Viacom 18 Studios will continue to make great films like we did in 2018 and be associated with IFA. Thank you very much. Thank you once again. And thank you, Sabas, once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you for those words, and thank you for your spectacular support down the years. Ladies and gentlemen, it was in the 5 years back when this relationship in 2015 began between IFA Awards and Nexa, and since then has continued steadfast. In fact, it can be safely said that the relationship is now soaring, roaring, and is growing from strength to strength. Words don't suffice. How about we put our hands together in awesome applause for our awesome title sponsor of IFA Awards, Nexa. Put your hands together, everyone. Thank you. So the last 4 years have been so good that I feel, man kar raha hai, we should right now pause, reminisce and celebrate this extraordinary relationship and this glorious journey over the last 4 years. And on that note, thank you. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sasank Srivastava, who's Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, to please share his thoughts with us on this occasion and, of course, tell us about their Beauty XL6 that's going to be parked grand on the IFA stage this year. Please, sir.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, from the Nexa family, warm welcome to this event. Thank you very much for coming here today. Nexa, as you know, we started our journey about 5 years back. We wanted to create a brand which is different from the automotive brands which you see. It was more about experience. And we built this brand on the principles of innovation, on the principle of global, on aspiration, on creation. And I think the brand has done reasonably well. In fact, in the last 4 years, or 4.5 years, we are very close to touching a million mark, which is actually the highest, the quickest reach, 1 million reach for any brand in the automotive world in the country ever. So it's done extremely well, and we are very proud. It was designed, as we said, for a global experience for consumers, something different from the experience which normally people have in the automotive world. It was for the urban Indian young customer. And we are so proud of our association with IFA, and we have been associated with IFA for the last 5 years. The brand has grown in that sense with IFA. Thank you, Wizcraft and all the other associates for this extremely good support for our brand. And I think the brand has rubbed off both ways. Some of the values which we have common with IFA, especially the global experience values, have rubbed on our brand, and our brand sort of have rubbed on the values on IFA as well. So friends, I won't take too much time, and I wish this event and the very best, and I hope we will continue with this, and we will definitely continue with this association for a long, long time. So all the very best for the event. By the way, we have in this, we just launched the XL6, the car which you probably saw outside. It's a, yes, Salman. It's a XL6, which is a very stylish, versatile. So it's very strong SUV type of vehicle. It's a premium MPV, so it's strong. It's something which Salman will probably made for Salman. Yeah, and versatile as well, which is for Madhuri ji, and very sophisticated and stylish. So it's for Katrina as well. So thank you for all the stars here. Yeah. Thank you. And Salman, by the way, has been associated with Suzuki for a long time. We consider him an extremely good professional, a very good human being, and I think we continue, hopefully, to associate with him in the future sometimes as well. Huh? Kal? Acha. So thank you very much, and hope you'll enjoy the evening today as well. Thank you.
Like I said, we'd like to use the IFA platform to be able to campaign about causes. And one of the causes that we've taken up since 2014 is the cause of women empowerment. In 2014, we ran a campaign prior to the elections, the Power of 49. And we had our celebrities talk about the Power of 49, getting women to go out and vote. That campaign ran across multiple cities, multiple regions across India. And wherever that campaign ran, the percentage of women voting went up by anything from 35% to 65%. That really is the power of what each of your voices lent, and women went out and voted. The last 2 years, and this is the third year, we've been campaigning about gender equality. And gender equality, we believe, begins at home. And to be able to support this entire campaign, we've been placing messages from our celebrities within the program of IFA and outside that, to be able to get people to respect women, and because that begins at home. I just have a small audiovisual to introduce that, after which we will launch the banner of the campaign for this year. Some of that messaging does need to improve, yeah. But may I request Salman, Madhuri, and Katrina to join us up here to launch this campaign.
And now that we have them here, how can I let them go without a conversation? Madhuri ma'am, how are the Ganapati celebrations going? Oh, wonderful. Yeah? What about you, Katrina?
Oh, wonderful. And you're doing a fantastic job, may I just
Yeah,
say.
thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to begin with
You're not going to ask me?
yes, sir. I'm going
इस
to
बार ऐसा लगा कि बप्पा हम सब लोगों का विसर्जन कर देंगे
है ना
कल
I
ऐसा
agree.
लगा था।
कल ऐसा ही लग रहा
कि
था
हमेशा हमेशा हम उनका विसर्जन करते हैं बप्पा ने बोला कि इस बार मैं तुम लोग का करूंगा
I'm going to teach you all a lesson.
माइंड चेंज हो गया उनका थैंक गॉड
इनफैक्ट सलमान सर हम लोग सुबह से बोल रहे हैं कि रेन रेन गो अवे कम अगेन अनदर डे आइफा वांट्स टू प्ले रेन रेन गो अवे ओके माय फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन
हाउ
पॉइंट
सेल्फिश ऑफ आइफा रेन रेन गो अवे अरे
I mean like for one day.
अरे वी जस्ट नाउ शूटिंग फॉर दबंग
Come again
we
tomorrow.
went to Rajasthan to shoot for Dabang. In 28 years, it's not rained as much as rained on our sets in Dabang in Jaipur. We were happy. We were really happy.
We'll be
Yesterday
very
it took
happy
us-
if it rains tomorrow, sir.
Yesterday it took me 6 hours to reach location. We did one shot. We were happy, very
Point
happy. That it's
noted.
raining. We went to
Point.
Fulton. Fulton, there's never no rain. We went there and we took rain there. It rained for 2 days. Our shooting got cancelled. Dabang shooting.
Everybody,
we're happy.
point
We're very
noted.
happy. So जब बारिश भी मांगो तो उतना ही मांगना जितना कि चाहिए.
जी बिल्कुल. Okay, Salman sir, we've been all across the globe at exotic locations.
No, I haven't.
With the IFA movement.
Oh, with the
and
IFA.
we're this year in Mumbai, in India, for the very first time. It's a grand homecoming. How does it feel?
I think with this, right now, budget cuts and stuff like that, so
The budget cuts. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है sir.
would be that only, na?
No sir. It's a grand
Demonetization
homecoming.
वगैरह भारी पड़ा होगा.
Sir,
तो
आपकी भारत की रिलीज के बाद we thought we must bring IFA to Bharat. So that's why sir, all because of your
वो भी
hit
point है.
film. Yeah.
अरे but there are some stars. In fact, Andre went and so he was से हम जा रहे हैं आइफा के लिए. So where you going? इस बार कौन से country में जा रहे हैं? इसलिए इस बार बम्बई में. So some of them were disappointed.
No,
Yeah,
why?
अरे मुंबई में क्यों? बाहर चलो कहीं पर.
ऐसा क्यों सर?
We don't perform in Mumbai. ऐसा भी हुआ है.
अच्छा ऐसे
Yeah,
बोला है
amazing.
कई लोगों ने.
और मेरा ये है
आप
कि जब
नाम
ये बोलते
बताएंगे
हैं
किसने बोला है?
कि हम लोग दूर जा रहे हैं ऐसे इतना दूर क्यों पास रखो. Now where is your IFA awards in NSCI? I said why so far? Keep it in Taj Lands End.
Because you live right next door. Right next door. And every day I take my daughter for an art class across your house and she says, Salman uncle's house, mummy. I'm like, yeah, every day. Every day she says it. Madhuri ma'am, how does it feel that, this year it's the homecoming edition and we are in Mumbai and you're performing on IFA stage in Mumbai?
Well, it feels wonderful because
Yeah.
IFA has been all over the world, all over the globe.
Yeah.
And finally, after 20 years, it's back in Mumbai where it all began, actually, the
Yes.
birthplace of our Indian, industry. So I think it's wonderful that IFA is back in Mumbai, and I'm sure all the fans are waiting, to go there and watch their favorite stars and their performances. And I think everybody's debating who's going to get the awards, and all that has already started.
And Katrina, how does it feel to be performing on IFA stage in Mumbai?
It feels wonderful. I'm super, super excited.
Yeah.
Every year and every show that I've been to of IFA, the night is always so memorable. There's so much excitement,
Yeah.
and it's just, IFA creates a kind of energy which, nobody else can
You're
replicate.
talking about Z doesn't do that, Filmfare doesn't do that. Stardust does not do
Andre.
that.
Cut.
Andre.
Edit.
No, they're all fantastic. But IFA I think has always been special for me.
Yeah.
It also landed on my birthday when I was performing in New York. I think it was 2 years back now, and that night was really, really fun. And I think the spectacle that they put up, the kind of importance they give to the acts that happen on the night,
Yes.
the kind of stage
Yes.
production, design, it's always something which is really memorable and spectacular.
Yes. Salman sir, we've had the good fortune of having you as a part of the IFA movement again and again. Now, what makes you commit to the IFA movement year after year?
My friends.
Hey.
So the rest of the award shows and all, we do because we love performing on stage, and we get paid for it as well. But IFA is
Underline.
because of Andre and
All for your friends.
Raf and Sabaz. I've known them before we were even actors.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Wow.
Some we were like all not even in our teens, and since that time we've known each other.
Wonderful. And I hope you keep coming back for more and
Yes,
more
yes.
magic
yes.
that you spread at IFA
Yes,
every
whenever
year.
they're in trouble,
Yes.
I'm there for them. And whenever I am in trouble, which is a lot, they're always there for me.
Madhuri ma'am. Okay, I've been an IFA fan for many years and I've watched a few of them live and watched a few of them, on television or streaming live now. And every time I've watched a performance of yours, I'm like, investigative committee set up karni padegi. How this lady, every time she dances, it's like you're dancing on the clouds. You're like awesome. Now tell me, before you're stepping up on IFA stage to perform, what's going through your mind?
Well, usual stuff that goes through your mind before you step onto the stage. There are butterflies in your stomach. You want to do your
Really?
best.
Butterflies
you're
in
present.
your stomach, ma'am?
Yes, of course, it does. And I'm sure even Katrina feels the same. It's never
Katrina
like...
feels के पहले check आया कि नहीं आया.
Katrina, is that true? Is that true?
I think Madhuri is, I've said this before when I've come on a show which we've done together a few years back. She's my ultimate inspiration in dance. And I think there's nobody like her. Nobody can ever be like her.
Absolutely.
And that's really what I believe. I don't think that anybody can ever come to touch Madhuri.
But you work hard, one day you will reach that.
I've heard you say before that she works very hard, Katrina. You said that a
Obviously,
multiple
she's got to
times.
work a lot harder in that case.
Okay, so work harder.
But I mean, I think it's a treat for everyone. Anytime Madhuri steps on the stage, it's
Absolute
a treat for
treat.
anyone to just stop and watch.
In fact, I say this, ma'am, that, perfect actress Madhuri, perfect dancer Madhuri, perfect woman Madhuri. Ma'am, you were saying something about what you feel before you step on stage.
Yeah, so I said,
Madhuri,
but I think
wife
most of what
Madhuri,
goes on...
Mother Madhuri.
Absolutely.
So this is what goes on behind the scenes, and this is
Co-star
what happens in
Madhuri.
IFA. We all have fun, all the artists get together and we really joke around and we get to interact, because we are sitting there waiting for our turn. And so I think that's where we meet the most, I guess, because in Mumbai we're always very busy. So it's always exciting, and it's always exciting to see other people perform and see the crowd, meet the fans, and just see their reaction. I think that's the biggest high.
Yes. Okay, Katrina, this one's for you. Now, every time you step up on stage to perform live at any award function for that matter, I personally feel that you're the best looking, best turned out, best attired actor on live stage in India, really. I mean, you nail the look every single time. But at IFAs, you do pull out a special something out of your hat. Now, is that love for IFA or dove?
I think it's just a wonderful coincidence, and I love performing on stage. I think it's something really, really fun. The kind of energy that you get, and a chance to kind of just, express yourself, and I think it's wonderful. I really enjoy it, and IFA gives you such incredible support when it comes to putting the act together, the design, the kind of spectacle you want to create. So it's always fun, and I've got amazing people who work with me, and they come up with some fabulous costumes. This year, I think because it's first time coming to Mumbai, I think we're really looking forward to doing something really special. Something different.
Lovely, looking forward to that. Oh? Okay, three of you would be aware that we at IFA, we believe in spreading the message of sustainability, protection of the environment. What would you from this stage like to say to Mumbaikars in particular about the environment, and largely to India too and to the world too? Sir, beginning with you.
Green,
Yeah,
पानी,
yes.
plastic avoid करो, स्वच्छ भारत, fit Bharat, and that is it. I've covered everything. Roti, kapda, makan, bijli.
Okay. Madhuri ma'am, you?
Well,
It's
I'd
a
say
hard
that,
act to follow.
since I have kids, I think
Yes,
I would
ma'am.
say that to every parent, that we should think about what kind of planet we are going to leave for our kids and their kids after that.
Yes.
And I think we have to be responsible, and each one has to take responsibility to say that I'm going to be an ideal citizen, and I'm going to do something for environment, however small it is, like save water, don't use plastic. There's so many things you can do for the environment, and each way each one of us can do it in our own little ways.
Yes, in small ways and big. Katrina?
Yeah, I think
What is your
exactly. I think
message?
exactly that, because we don't see. It's not something we see directly every day in front of us. It's easy for us to just forget about the importance of what's happening. But I think the most easy to do and small change that we can all do in our lives, which is will make a big difference, is single-use plastic. And I
Yeah.
think Prime Minister Modi ji's initiative is incredible, and that's something we also should support. And don't drink, water out of plastic bottles, and try and, carry another kind of container to hold your water.
Yeah, in fact, last year we launched the campaign that urging people to resist the use of single-use plastic. Okay, now all of you, when
I
you
think two things: don't use
Yes, sir.
plastic and don't be plastic.
yes, both, sir. Absolutely, I agree, sir, completely. You agree, guys? Then put your hands together now. This is the dialogue of the evening. Don't be plastic. Don't use plastic. Okay, when all of you, yeah, sir, बोलिए, sir. Okay, so all of you, when you travel with the IFA movement across the world, and now this year in India, you are in a way brand ambassadors for Indian cinema and also for brand Incredible India. So when you're interacting with your fans, you're performing on stage, you're traveling, is this something that's on your mind, that you are indeed in a way brand ambassadors for the magic of Indian cinema?
Yes, definitely, because we've been working for so long, and when you meet your fans, they look up to you. They have something that they like about you, and you have to put your best foot forward. Always do something that inspires others, and that's what I always feel about being a brand icon or whatever.
Yes. And aap, sir? Ji?
True that. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, seriously. So there's that bond between fans and stars, and I've got a really special connect with them since after मैंने प्यार किया till today. Picture चले ना चले, it's taken about 30 some years from Sallu to Salle to
Bhai.
Salman to Bantai to now it's Bhai.
Now it's bye.
Yeah, it's Bhaijan, Bhai. So it's taken a long time to achieve that. And I'm really happy with this growth, and I'm really happy with the fans, the way they look at me. And my journey has just been that I'm going to work so hard, and always been working hard, not true at least. Earlier I wasn't, now I am. Then I'm going to work so hard that that distance, that what they want to see of me, they will always get to see of me on screen and on television and in real life.
You do have a
Because
phenomenal
they pay so
connect.
much of money to go and watch a movie,
Yeah.
so that needs to
Yes.
be appreciated.
Yes.
And
Yes.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to spin this question towards Katrina because you do have a flight to catch.
So you ask her, yeah, I was going to say that. Yeah.
What do you feel when you are traveling the globe as brand ambassador of cinema with IFA?
I think I feel very, very privileged, and to be able to do something which you absolutely love is an incredible thing. As well as that, I think the love that we get from our audience is the most special thing that I mean about our job. It's the absolutely most special thing, and nothing can compare to that feeling when you feel that love from the audience, and it's magical.
Yes. So I'm going to thank you. I'm not letting both of you go, but I'm going to thank you because you have a flight to catch. And all of you, will you all put your hands together in some awesome applause for Katrina Kaif, who's here
You're going?
as friend of IFA.
You're going? अरे तुसी ना जाओ. मिला? इतना काफी.
Just right there. थोड़ी सी और तालियां. Come on, guys.
Very much. Thank
And
you,
we'll
everybody.
see you soon. Katrina Kaif, friend of IFA. आइए प्लीज. Her coat. It's gone? Okay, super. We're getting your coat for you. All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, we at the IFA movement, of course, we live and breathe for the glory of Indian cinema. But remember, our heart also beats for the earth, its oceans, its lands, and the life atop and beneath it. You know, the United Nations Environment Programme has been IFA's campaign green partner for the last 11 years. And we, in our own small way, have tried to spread the message of sustainability across the globe. We, in our own little way, have done things like going from the red carpet to green carpet, unfurling several campaigns to spread the message of sustainability, and last year, launching at the last edition, the whole campaign against the use of single-use plastic, and of course the campaign surrounding oceans. In our own way, we're trying to say that we're healing the world and trying to make it a better place. And that is why it is of great significance that this evening we have with us UN Champion for Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Advocate Afroz Shah, who needs no introduction, but I'm still going to do the honors here. An LLB gold medalist, he is a practicing counsel and lawyer at the Bombay High Court, and he says himself that for the past 201 weeks, he's been on a date with the oceans. Ladies and gentlemen, 23 plus million kg of plastic and filth have been cleaned from the oceans, the rivers, the beaches, the creeks, the forest, and the mangroves. What a job he's done that has led him to receive the highest, environmental award in the world, the UN Champion of the Earth, which is akin to the Nobel Prize for the environment field. We are so happy to have him here this evening. Advocate Afroz Shah, can we please have you on stage?
Good evening, Mumbai. Good evening, IFA. When the master of ceremony said, date with ocean, and then Salman Bhai here, it becomes a little difficult to speak, but I must speak. Me and Sabas was having a little 2-minute conversation before the program started, and I was asking Sabas, what should I talk? He said, compact, 3-4 minutes, and he used the word arbit. You see, in the city Mumbai, we have 22 million people. Most of them live in what we call human-ocean conflict zone. झोपड़पट्टी क्रीक रिवर के बाजू में रहते हैं. हर रोज़ 10 प्लास्टिक आता है. प्लास्टिक यूज़ होता है दूध की थैली, milk pouches, and then it's dumped into the river. And from the river, it lands into the ocean. And then when I shifted to Warsaw, and when I saw the beach, what it was, 5.5 feet of garbage, this word arbit came in my mind. You see, on Twitter, if you go, the narrative is this: attack Modi ji, attack Chief Minister, attack people who own the governance, attack people who own the power, attack rich. But nobody seems to understand that when you live, you are wearing a dual hat. The hat is this. The first hat is you are a citizen, and the second hat is the profession which you choose. Maybe I'm a lawyer, so we argue at the court and make money. But my first hat as a citizen to coexist with other species is what we don't wear in Mumbai, India, and the world. And that's why this problem of plastic pollution has erupted. You know, my mind goes back to a 18-year-old boy called Khudiram Bose. Not many of you all must have read and heard of him. A boy who heard the call of Mahatma Gandhi at 19. I don't know how many 19-year-olds would do that. He took a gun out to shoot a judge in Muzaffarpur, West Bengal. And he did. He missed his shot. The Britishers chased him for 120 kilometers, arrested him. And finally, when he was put on a trial, and he stood before the judge and he said, hang me. Because I stand for my country, I stand for freedom, and I stand for a position that you must leave my country. A 19-year-old boy laughingly telling the judge, put me to gallows. In this 21st century, I don't know how many of us would want to do that. We are not told now to go to the gallows or take a bullet in your chest. A 19-year-old Khudiram Bose could do it in Muzaffarpur, living in abject poverty in a village. In Mumbai, we are told to take care of our environment. That's all we are told. And you see, when you land at a function, you see plastic bottles and bottles and bottles. Multi-layer packaging. Now, how much time it takes to handle it? But the question is, who will do it? लोग बोलते मोदी जी क्यों बोलो? मोदी जी आएंगे दिल्ली से आपका कचरा उठाने के लिए. देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी आना चाहिए. It's your life, it's your house, it's your ocean, it's your lake, and it's your river. And this is what the disconnect has happened in Mumbai between all of us. The disconnect is this: I will vote and I'll pay my taxes and I'll chase the Prime Minister. Modi ji ki chasing karo, Fadnavis ji ki chasing karo, Twitter pe, Facebook pe, social media pe. And then come on 15th August and 26th January say, I love India. इंडिया से मैं बहुत प्यार करता, मदर नेचर से बहुत प्यार करता. अगर किसी से पूछा जाए बॉम्बे में आप क्या करते हो, what are you doing, your and my eyes will come down. And this is the journey which started at Versova, then it went to Danapani, now it's at River Mithi. And the UN Environment Program is actively working on with me, the Government of India and Government of Maharashtra. Is this what we need to get back what Khudiram Bose in 1920 and 30s did it? एक 19 साल का लड़का अब जज को बोलता है हैंग करो क्योंकि मैं देश के लिए स्टैंड करता हूँ. और हम लोग कितने लोग यहाँ बॉम्बे में एक प्लास्टिक बॉटल छोड़ने को तैयार नहीं है, एक मल्टी लेयर पैकेजिंग छोड़ने तैयार नहीं है. वो बोलते हैं हमारा राइट है मोदी जी को बोलना प्लास्टिक बॉटल उठाने के लिए. सो दिस इज द जर्नी विच वॉज टेकन बाय हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ मुंबईकर. We are in this journey right now, 4 साल हो गए. Maybe it will take another 10-15 years. I don't know when Khudiram Bose will arise from this country and multiple Khudiram Bose, where they will come and say, we love the country and we love it this way. So all our life, you know, I come from a very deprived childhood, and we were told that go make your living. My mother, you know, my father died early. My mother said, make a living. So I did law, got at the court, vacation, cars, houses, money. Nobody ever told me that you could love this country this way. Constitution सब पढ़ते हैं, fundamental right पे रुक जाती है बात. What is your duty? कोई बात ही नहीं करता. And then you hear the conversation in TV channel, the nation wants to know. Every evening you're told the nation wants to know, and you step out every road, every 100 meters you have garbage. Our beaches are lost. Some of you all were saying that we owe it to our future. Look at this small kid of 8-9-year-old. He has no beach to enjoy, no ocean to enjoy, no forest to enjoy, no lake to enjoy. And then we say, we are feeling good, we have done enough for the country. I think this journey is this, which with UNEP and Government of India, hopefully Viscraft, and IFA have started their bit. This bit must percolate to every single individual. ये जितने झोपड़पट्टी में मुंबई में रह रहे हैं, क्रीक्स में, उनके हर एक घर में मैसेज जाना चाहिए. How to handle plastic. दूध की थैली तो ले आए, अब दूध की थैली को करना क्या है? And that's the journey which we are doing in Mumbai with thousands of kids. And thank you, IFA, for inviting me. UNEP provoked me in Delhi to come here, and this is the journey which all of us will have to take. The earlier we start, the better it is. Otherwise, all these nature, talk of environment will remain on the paperboard. 5-star hotel में mic पे लेके बात करते रहेंगे कि we want to do, we want to do, we want to do. Who will do it? God knows. How it will happen, we don't know. So this journey will have to begin, and I'm happy IFA is using its platform to create awareness. Hopefully in Mumbai, we will rise it, and we will make multiples and thousands of Khudiram Bose throughout India and throughout the world to say that we love our country and we will love like this. Thank you, IFA, for inviting me. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, God bless. Thank you.
And thank you for being here, and thank you for the great work that you're doing. I must share with you all that United Nations has termed it as the world's biggest cleanup in world history ever. Thank you once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, a wise man once said that tea can make everything better. What is life without tea? Actually, what is life without tea and cinema? What is life without tea, cinema, and IFA awards? Or even better, what is life without tea, cinema, IFA awards, and Tata Tea Gold? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, our brand partner at the IFA Awards 2019. This film that we're now going to be playing for you is our small way of appreciating.
Excuse me, side पुढे सर पुढे मम्मा तुझा लेफ्ट साइड ना ले ना साइड अरे ये साइड से साइड प्लीज साइड आगे इमरान लॉक कर दो बस बंद करो बस गेट बंद करो
हाँ